So we're going to be talking about strings today. And strings are an interesting type of data in that they are simultaneously the most open-ended and potentially the most powerful type of data, because in a string you can capture all kinds of things using patterns and punctuation and different order of characters, different types of characters. A string can literally be any character, visible or invisible. What's an example of an invisible character? A tab, a space, a line break. Yeah, those are all invisible. So there are invisible characters and visible characters. Why does that matter? Because you're going to have to deal with the impact of invisible characters as you start to deal with strings. So we're going to start by talking about strings from an understanding the string kind of perspective. And then we're going to move into some of the things that you can do with strings. And I'm going to give you sort of the level one of what you can do with strings. And later on in the class, we're actually going to come back to strings and talk about something that I would refer to as advanced string processing, because that's a whole nother level of stuff you can do with strings. So strings are really that, it kind of goes that deep. Um, Even though strings seem like, oh, well, that's the most basic data type. It's just whatever it is in the quotes is what it is. But what you can do with strings and the meaning that you can make with that data is kind of a big deal.